In this video, you'll learn all about the option to return your current Lexus and purchase or lease a new Lexus at the end of your lease. To save you time and help you with the process, be sure and register online at lexusfinancial.com, where you'll find important details about your vehicle's lease. For guests who plan to replace their lease with a new Lexus, you'll receive some special benefits for being a valued guest. First, you'll be able to get into a newer model of what you're driving now, or you can try a completely different vehicle. Second, for guests who replace their vehicle with a new or L-certified Lexus within 30 days of the lease return, or guests who have had 3 or more finance contracts with Lexus or Toyota Financial Services, will waive the disposition fees on your next new or L-certified Lexus lease if you lease with LFS. The first step is to visit lexus.com and start shopping for your next vehicle. Once you make your selection, you can tap the Finance with LFS button to access an online credit application or contact your dealer. To save time and make your transition into a new Lexus as seamless as possible, you'll want to schedule a pre-inspection appointment for your current Lexus. Your lease inspection can take place as early as 60 days before your return. The pre-inspection is a complimentary service that ensures you know the condition of your vehicle before the end of your lease. The lease end inspector can meet you at your home, office, the dealership, or another location that's convenient for you. Once the inspection is complete, you'll receive a condition report within a few days. This report can also be accessed online at lexusfinancial.com and itemizes all the details about your vehicle's condition and any excess wear and use. If you'd like to make necessary repairs to a vehicle before you turn it in, you can make them at a Lexus service center and then let us know. We'll schedule another inspection that will take place upon your return. Within 30 days of your return date, contact your dealership to schedule a return appointment. Prepare for the appointment by locating all of your vehicle keys and confirming you have the owner's manual, toolkit, spare tire, and any other original equipment like a cargo cover, net, or floor mats. At your appointment, the dealership will accept your return, ask you to sign the odometer disclosure statement, and provide you with a copy for your records. After you've returned the vehicle, the dealership or an independent inspection company will inspect the vehicle and LFS will send you a final invoice. The final invoice will detail any unpaid payments, late fees, and miscellaneous charges. Your invoice will also list any excess wear and use charges or excess mileage charges. You'll see that your disposition fee was waived because you chose to replace the vehicle with a new or L-certified Lexus and that you financed or leased with LFS. Additionally, there are certain circumstances where we may not charge for excess wear and use damage. Keep in mind, all the items listed on your invoice may be taxable. For Lexus guests who made a security deposit, we will send a check for your deposit to your home address after subtracting any invoice charges due. Finally, please confirm we have your correct address on lexusfinancial.com, where you can also cancel any electronic payments you may have set up with your bank. If you have questions about the process of leasing or purchasing a new Lexus at the end of your lease term, you can visit lexusfinancial.com to download our vehicle return checklist. You can also reach out to your local dealership or contact one of our loyalty advocates at the number shown here. Get ready for a shiny new ride and the amazing Lexus experience you've come to expect.